So we've got 6 episodes of the Expo Talks, and we're going to be covering the 6 core themes of the Expo and talking to some of the speakers who will be previewing their sessions and revealing what they're going to be covering in December. So a few questions about events first. We'll go to Rebecca first. Are you looking forward to getting back to live events? Please say yes.
Oh boy, yeah, absolutely. It'd be lovely to see people. And actually, I've got Coventry marked out as like a little 2-day jolly for me. So hopefully there'll be lots of people there. A lot of the people I see in the chat on my tax talk, it'll be really great if they rock up, especially if they tell me what their sign-on names are, and I can put a face to a name. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
Now, AccountingWEB Live Expo is the first kind of accounting or finance-oriented show that's going to be after the autumn statement, but before self-assessment. It's a really sweet spot for us. So obviously we've got some sessions planned out where you two will be discussing the autumn statement, spending review and budget that's coming on October the 27th. What do you two think the Chancellor will be revealing in October? What are we going to be discussing at the show?
It's a balancing act. You know, we're still in the pandemic. So while there will probably be a bit of revenue raising, I think the Chancellor's also going to be looking at boosting the economy, as we saw last time.
Yeah.
There's got to be a balance of measures, of give and take. So as always with a budget, there'll be a rabbit out of the hat. I suspect it'll be a very serious-minded rabbit saying, look, we're in difficult times. We all know that. We've got to cut our cloth accordingly. However, we've got to power the economy to get through this. I think we're going to see some balance. My guess is there'll be more about boosting the economy.
Another thing that we have a lot of content planned for at the Expo is, unsurprisingly, MTD. Rebecca, you've run a lot of successful boot camps recently on AccountingWEB. How have they gone? What will you be covering at the event? What are you looking to do?
I mean, there is a lot to do on MTD. I'm going to be hitting it hard over tax talks over the next month. But, you know, as a speaker, it's the gift that keeps on giving, because, you know, I'm not going to run out of things to talk about between now and April 23. So, yeah, I will be. And, you know, everyone out there listening, I am there rooting for you. Please come ask me, tell me what the issues are, what do you want me to feed back to HMRC, because we've got to make this work.